G'day everybody, it's Will here from NeveroddoreveN. It's wonderful to be back again. It has been too long since I have done a game of phones, and a number of you have been asking me when's the next game of phones going to come out. And I know it's been like nearly 5 weeks actually since I put out the last one. There have been a few others come out since then, look, the last one was out Nostalgia, and there was quite a few really awesome entries that came in to talk to us about Nostalgia, and I really loved it. So you guys gave me the feels here. You made me really moved me with your input, and that was awesome. So I'm going to go through some of those now, just as a recap on our previous game of phones scoring situation. We were in a position with Robin and Ben tied for first place. Adam, Zach, Elliot, Nick and Braden all down the list there. So I'm going to go through the entries now for the Nostalgia game of phones, and I was really, as I said, really moved by your nostalgic things. Some really deep and personal experiences from each of you there. And I'm going to kick us off with our prompt winner this week, which came from Nick. Now Nick was first cab off the rank, and so gets the bonus point for that. Scores 2 points. Well done, Nick. Shared with us a transformer. This is an image of the transformer, but Nick still has this transformer that he had from so many years ago. I'm assuming it came pre-painted, Nick, or maybe with stickers. But well done. That's 2 points for you for your nostalgic story, and thanks for sharing that with us. Alright, next came from Elliot. Now I haven't been able to include the video here, but Elliot sent me a video of a Christmas long ago. If you want to check that out, you can go to the Facebook page and check out Elliot's nostalgic video there. Well done, Elliot. That's a point for you. Yep, so we'll keep going from there. Alright, Robin came in next. Robin sent some images of hiking. This was our first trip into the Walls of Jerusalem National Park, and I might have to dig up some of that old footage, Robin, and put it up there. I know you sent a link through of when the possum raided us in the middle of the night, yeah, but there's some really good footage there, some really good, some high quality and deep debates that Robin and I had over different camping styles and tips there. But thanks, Robin, for that. Great memories there coming back. Now this one here comes from Ben, and Ben, you've really moved me with this. It's been quite a it was my 42nd birthday party, and everybody came in fancy dress, so we can see Julian there in his Starfleet uniform. Ben came as Tron, and myself as Arthur Dent, and Adrian. I think Adrian stole the show there, coming as Rimmer. That's right. It's amazing what you can do with a piece of tinfoil and some old daggy clothing, but definitely the most effective cosplay at my birthday party. There were lots of great cosplays at that party, and I really enjoyed myself at my 42nd birthday party. So yeah, that was some good memories there too. Thanks, Ben. And now Amanda sent me this one, a beautiful piece here from Nostalgia, and very deeply personal. Lovely birds, reminds us of the journeys that we have taken together, and once again, deeply moving nostalgic piece there from Amanda. Alright, so the question then remains, which one of these, and it's so hard to do, you really made life difficult for me, which one of these did I decide was going to be the winning entry? And look, I really couldn't go past Elliot's entry. So Elliot jumps up into position 5, everybody got 1 point. Nick moves up also into equal third position, so Elliot's now in the second highest scoring position. So there's a good array of scores there. Now, This is the final episode in the season for Game of Phones, and so I did promise a big finale at the end. And so I made the decision that I'm going to not just ask for one thing, but a bit of a scavenger hunt. Yes, a special never odd or even scavenger hunt. Now there are some rules. All answers must be unique, except for number 10, of course. You can pick the same favourite episode if you want. There's a little bit self-indulgent, maybe some might suggest egotistical, but here we go. Here are the things that I'm looking for. You can put them into the Facebook entry as we've been doing, numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Don't need to repeat the question, just type in the answer. You're going to have to be quick though, because as I said, all answers must be unique except for the answers to question 10. A bad pun from Civ 6 Adventures. You have to go and check that out. There's a few there to choose from. Just ask Robin. Alright, a quest completed by Jarellus in Azeroth Adventures. Something from Will's loot crate. The names of 2 DS9 characters. The name of a guest who appeared on NeveroddoreveN. A line from Still Alive. I'll let you work that out. Some of you will already know. Others might have to go searching. The title of a NeveroddoreveN blog. The name of an item from the JC RPG game. A tabletop game that I have reviewed, and your favourite oddrev episode to date. So that's what you've got to find. That's what I'll be looking for. You'll get a point for each answer you get correct. That's right, each answer you get correct. So that actually means it could be anyone's game. You see, if Robin and Ben don't put any answers in, then they're not gonna, they might get overtaken. So there'll be no correspondence entered into. The judge's decision will be final. All of these things can be found through NeveroddoreveN's YouTube channel or affiliated blogs and reviews. So I'm gonna let you go for it, and I'm actually going to set a strict time limit. So today, right now, is 1:20 on Monday, and so by lunchtime next Monday, all the answers have to be in, and I will be sending out the results of this. Now the winner gets that merchandise shirt that I showed before. Yes, you will get your very own NeveroddoreveN shirt. Now I'll have to decide what happens if there's a tie. I think maybe, yeah, look, I'm feeling generous. If there are tied positions, then everyone gets one. No, not everyone, but all the tied people get one. Not everyone. Gee, then it's going to be funny, because they'll try and be tied and then everyone will get one. But no, look, what I'm saying to you is, if you are in tied first position, then you will all get a NeveroddoreveN shirt. Okay, alrighty. Well, that's probably enough from me today. But speaking about nostalgia, tomorrow will be the release of Classic WoW, and I've reserved the name Jarellus for my Classic WoW character, as well as the name oddrev, which I'm pretty excited about. He's a priest, so that's pretty good, like me. Then I've also gotten Pink Floyd, which is a personal favourite of mine. He's a gnomish warrior. So I'll be having a bit of a look at that, and keep your eye out on the oddrev Twitch stream for that, because I'll be doing those as live feeds, so you can jump in and say hi, chat to me while I'm playing, and ask me how it's going. So that'll be from tomorrow. I think it's actually released at 8 AM, but I've got a meeting at 9, so I probably won't be on till about 11. So we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for everyone who's participated. This has been a fantastic season of Game of Phones. I feel like it's been very successful and interactive, and I couldn't have done this without each and every one of you. There will be a new season to replace Game of Phones. It might be another Game of Phones, it might be something else, but I like this idea of this social online game thing that we've been playing, and I think we've had a bit of fun with it. Alright, well, thanks again everybody, and we'll catch up again soon. You have 7 days to get your 10 answers into Facebook. Alright, catch you later. Until next time, like, subscribe, comment, put all your stuff in, and keep playing. Play those games. Keep on gaming. This has been Will from NeveroddoreveN, signing off.